Nature provides the healing we need, but we turn instead to artificial solutions that leave us isolated and incomplete.
While some find peace in nature, others struggle alone on the streets or face an empty chair at the table. It doesn't have to be this way.
For millennia, this sacred plant was revered as medicine, a gift from nature.
Named sacred grass in the oldest medical texts ever written. Every culture on this earth knew the plant.
Mother to child, elder to student, until 1937, when someone decided that what had healed humanity for 6 millennia was suddenly dangerous.
Became a threat to the powerful.
The wisdom of the ancients, etcher in stone and ink, was deliberately forgotten, burned away, and patented by those seeking control.
For decades, cannabis has been misunderstood, labeled as dangerous, dismissed as recreational, or overhyped as a cure-all. But the truth? We're only just beginning to understand what this plant actually does. Because cannabis isn't just a plant.
A complex, evolving interface between nature and human biology. And we're only just beginning to understand it. What was once underground is becoming one of the fastest growing industries in the world. But more importantly, it's a tool. We're living through a global shift. Legalization is expanding. Research is accelerating. Stigma is breaking.
Hidden inside your body is something called the endocannabinoid system. It's not a theory, it's a real, measurable biological network.
It regulates mood, sleep, appetite, pain, immune response.
Its job is simple. Keep your body in balance. This system exists in every human body. And here's the part most people don't know. Your body produces its own cannabis-like compounds called endocannabinoids. Cannabis contains over 100 compounds called cannabinoids, but 2 dominate the conversation, THC and CBD. And our body is constantly asking, are we safe? Are we inflamed? Are we in balance? Do we need to repair? Your endocannabinoid system answers those questions by sending signals across your brain, immune system, gut, and nervous system. But here's the truth most people never hear. The system only works as well as the signals it receives. Stress, toxins, trauma, poor nutrition, they all distort that signal. And when the signal is distorted, the body drifts out of balance. THC and CBD. THC is the compound that creates the high. It binds directly to receptors in your brain, especially those linked to memory, perception, and coordination. That's why time feels different, why music sounds deeper. CBD, on the other hand, it doesn't get you high. Instead, it interacts more subtly, modulating receptors and even influencing systems like serotonin. In some cases, it can even counterbalance the intensity of THC. Same plant, completely different experiences. CBD doesn't force your body into anything. Scientifically, welcome to the future of science. Together, we are unlocking the incredible potential of this plant.